Apologizing and forgiving in relationships. Apologizing and forgiving in a relationship is essential for maintaining a healthy connection. It helps build trust, understanding, and respect, and it can be difficult to do. When someone apologizes, it is important to accept the apology and move forward. This doesn't mean you have to forget what happened, but it does mean you have to forgive the person who wronged you. When it comes to apologizing, it is important to be sincere and honest. Acknowledge the wrong that was done and take responsibility for it. Explain why the action was wrong and how it made you feel. Offer a sincere apology and let the other person know you are sorry. When it comes to forgiving, it is important to be understanding and compassionate. Acknowledge the hurt that was caused and try to understand why the other person acted the way they did. Let the other person know you forgive them and that you are willing to move forward. It is important to remember that apologizing and forgiving are not easy, but they are necessary for a healthy relationship. Apologizing and forgiving can help build trust, understanding, and respect in the relationship.